Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Samsung washer won't spin in 2026. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to pause the cycle and open the drum. Then spread the clothes evenly around all the sides. The heavy items like towels or jeans often clump together. So a balanced load is required for proper spinning. Now, if the washer is too full, it cannot spin safely. So in that case, you just have to do nothing but to just remove some of the clothes and then try again. If the water is still inside the drum, the washer will skip spin. So you need to check drain filter and hose, clean any kind of blockages so that the water can exit completely. Now, the washer will not spin if the door is not locked properly. So you need to close the door firmly and listen for a click. Check the seal area for any kind of obstructions. Just make sure that the washer is also perfectly leveled. If it wobbles, it cannot maintain the balance during the spin. So in that case, you just have to simply adjust the feet until it is stable. After adjusting everything, run a spin cycle only. This helps confirm if the issue is resolved. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your Samsung washer is now spinning properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.